Hey there, I'm London Brazil from Evolving Table, and I am so excited to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi XL pressure cooker steam fryer with SmartLid. This one product combines 3 different cooking appliances. It's a pressure cooker, an air fryer, and even a steam fryer all under one lid. This means that you can make full family-sized meals faster and easier than traditional methods. Plus, you can even bake delicious breads and cakes and get juicier results from all your favorite air-fried foods. This Ninja Foodi pressure cooker comes equipped with a Deluxe reversible rack. This is used to increase cooking capacity and is great for cooking full family meals. A cook and crisp basket for air frying. This is perfect for foods like chicken wings, French fries, and even homemade loaded potato wedges. The pot, which is always in the unit when cooking and has an 8-quart capacity, enough to cook for your whole family. And an inspiration guide with over 45 recipes to help you get started. This versatile product is perfect for all of your cooking needs. What makes the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker steam fryer with SmartLid especially unique is its SmartLid slider. This slider allows you to easily unlock 3 cooking modes. When you move the SmartLid slider, the unit and the lid will automatically change the cooking environment to your selected mode. No guesswork, no swapping or storing of lids, just one simple slide. The first cooking mode is pressure mode. This mode allows you to quickly pressure cook foods while maintaining tenderness. This mode is great for meats and more. Next is Steam Crisp mode. In Steam Crisp mode, you have access to the Steam and Crisp function and the Steam and Bake function. Steam and Crisp is a revolutionary technology that combines 2 cooking modes, so you can steam and air fry simultaneously for quick and delicious meals. Steam and Bake provides unique baking results that other pressure cookers can't. It's great for baking breads because the steam allows for higher dough rise, delivering breads with a chewy inside and crusty outside. I love to make focaccia bread. It comes out perfect every time. Steam baking also delivers super moist and fluffy baked goods like cakes. This function is my go-to for all of my baking needs. Next is Air Fry Stovetop mode. Under this mode, you will have access to multiple functions including air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, proof, sear, saute, steam, sous vide, slow cook, and yogurt for ultimate culinary versatility. When opening and closing the lid, make sure to always use the lift tab at the front of the unit. You'll see the lid will always be locked in the far left or pressure mode position. To open the lid, move the slider in the middle to Steam Crisp mode, or to the far right position to Air Fry Stovetop mode. When cooking in the Steam Crisp position, it's important to keep the lid closed to allow steam and convection heat to work together. You should only open the lid if the recipe calls for it. If you do, opening the lid will pause the timer and the cooking process for you. When cooking in the far right position, Air Fry Stovetop mode, the lid can be opened at any time to check on your food. Opening the lid in this mode will also pause the timer and the cooking process. I love that with this one product, its SmartLid and its SmartLid slider, you can unlock 3 cooking modes and 14 cooking functions. It is truly a kitchen essential. If you're looking for more recipe inspiration or some tips and tricks, be sure to visit ninjatestkitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.
cook up to 70% faster. Introducing the Advanced Pressure Cooker from Gourmia. Featuring 3 major innovations, it safely releases pressure when the cooking is done. The remote release button protects your hands and face from the hot steam, and it stirs the food inside using pressure pulses, optimized for each food type. This revolutionary pressure cooker has 12 preset cooking modes for hearty, healthy meals and desserts in a fraction of the time. Pressure cooking the Gourmia way.
Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe is equipped with 9 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, slow cook, and yogurt functions are used with the pressure lid. Use the Sear, Saute without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients, just like on your stovetop. The Air Crisp, Bake, Roast, Broil, and Dehydrate functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the temp button and turn the knob to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the time button and turn the knob to select your cooking time. Press the start/stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the Air Crisp function to tender crisp your food to perfection. Use the Steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the Slow Cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. Use the Yogurt function to easily create delicious yogurt. The Air Crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The Bake Roast function allows you to cook meals in the pot as you would with your oven. The Broil function used with the Deluxe reversible rack finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The Dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started. For more information, visit www.ninjakitchen.com.